Hello student, in interpolation and extrapolation we have learned the first mathematical methods of interpolation and extrapolation, and this method is called binomial expansion method. In this binomial expansion method we have learned how to calculate one missing value and two missing values over there. But this method have some limitation is over there. This method is used when the difference of the year are equal and we can't calculate value between the years is over there. It means if we are giving the data of, suppose we are giving the data of population that is related to 2021, that is related to 1921, 1931, 1941, 1951, 1961, 1971. If among these data, if any data is missing, then we can having the interpolation with the method of binomial expansion method. Suppose the data of 1951 is not available, then we can having the interpolation with this method, binomial expansion method. But with this method we cannot having the interpolation of 1945 for 1965 etc. It means this method is applicable only when the difference is equal, and in equal difference if one value is missing or two value is missing, then we can use that binomial expansion method. But if we want to calculate if we want to interpolate the data between these series, we can't calculate with the binomial expansion method. So later we will having another one method that is also a mathematical method, and this is called the best method for calculating interpolation and extrapolation, that is called Newton advanced difference method. In this method there is no limitation. If the data is given for, suppose the data of the population is given for 1951, 1961, 1971, 1981, 1991, 2001, 2011. If we want to calculate what may be the population of 1975, what may be the population of 1988, what may be the population of 2008, with the methods of Newton we can calculate such kind of the middle data also, which was not available in binomials and expansion method. So in today's video we will learn what is Newton advanced difference method and how it is applicable for interpolation and extrapolation is over there. So the very first we will learn how to get the advanced difference in Newton's method and what is the formula for the Newton advanced difference method. Later then we will solve some problem related to the Newton advanced method is over there. So the very first table of difference we should learn. Table of difference. Suppose x value is given, that is x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, and y value is given y0, y1, y2, y3, y4. Suppose this value is up to y4 is given. So how to calculate the difference of Newton? The very first will Newton difference. So the very first we know how to calculate the difference, that y1 minus, first difference is y1 minus y0, that is called delta 0 1. Then y2 minus y1, that is called delta 1 1. Then y3 minus y2, that is called delta 2 1. And y4 minus y3, that is called delta 3 1. So this is first difference. This is called first difference, that is called delta 0 1, delta 1 1. Okay. How to calculate first difference is over there. They will give in question. Year may be given as x value and the production value, population value, export import value, whatever, that will given the y value. So for getting the first difference, what we have to done, y2 minus y1, that is first difference, then y2 minus y1, that is second difference, y3 minus y2, that is third difference, y4 minus y3 is fourth difference. So this is denoted delta 0 1, delta 1 1, delta 2 1, delta 3 1, that is first difference. Now second difference, that is delta 1 1 minus delta 0 1. Second minus first. In this, second minus first was first difference, third minus second was second difference, fourth minus third was third difference, fifth minus fourth was fourth difference. Now we are having delta 1 1 minus delta 0 1, that is delta 0 2. Now delta 2 1 minus delta 1 1, that is delta 1 2. Now delta 3 minus delta 3 1 minus delta 2 1, that is delta 2 2. This is the second difference. What we have done, now taking the difference, second difference minus first difference, third difference minus second difference, fourth difference minus second difference. So delta 1 1 minus delta 0 1, that is delta 0 2, delta 2 1 minus delta 1, that is delta 1 2, and delta 2 3. Now third difference, this is first difference, second difference. Now we are having third difference. For third difference we are having delta 1 2 minus delta 0 2, that is delta 0 3, and delta 2 2 minus delta 1 2, that is delta 1 3. So the very first 5 was there, getting the difference, it come to the 4, then difference of 4, it come to 3, then the difference of 3, it come to 2, and last one delta 1 3 minus delta 0 3, that will be delta 0 4. So the complete difference is over there. In this manner we have to get the delta 0 1 value, delta 0 2 value, delta 0 3 value, delta 0 4 value. In formula we will use only these values up. So the very first, you should learn how to get the Newton difference is over there. So the very first, y1 minus y0, then y2 minus y1, y3 minus y2. Getting this, now againly difference, second difference minus first difference, third difference minus second difference, fourth difference minus third difference, then second difference minus one difference, third difference minus second difference, then second difference minus first difference. We will get these value, that is called delta 0 1, delta 0 2, delta 0 3, delta 0 4. So the very first, we have to calculate the Newton's difference is over there. In when we will doing the question related to this, the very well you will learn how to calculate the Newton's difference is over there. Second, what we have to do, now we will apply the formula for the Newton's method, that is called yx, that is yx is equal to y0 plus x multiply delta 0 1. It means we will use first, then x minus 1 multiply by 1 into 2 delta 0 2, this use, then x minus 1 x minus 2 divided by 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 delta 0 3, this one, then x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3 divided by 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 4 delta 0 4, up to how many differences over there. That we have to expand this formula. H, there are so many differences over there, then we have to expand this formula up to how much is over there. Here only the 4 differences are there, first difference, second difference, third difference, fourth difference. So this is first difference, second difference, third difference, fourth difference. If fifth difference is over there, then we will extend that formula. So this is the formula, that is yx is equal to y0 plus x multiplied by delta 0 1 plus x minus 1 divided by 1 and 2 delta 0 2 plus x minus 1 x minus 2 upon 1 2 3. Here 2 number is over there, 1 and 2, so 1 and 2. Here 3 number is over there, 1 2 3, so 1 and 2 and 3 is over there. Here 4 number 1 2 3 4, so 1 2 3 4 is over there. Now what is x? It is also very important that how we will calculate the value of x. So the value of x is interpolation here minus first year, first value divided by difference of two value. Two value. It means, suppose we have to write here, so the value of x, that is x is asking minus first one x0 divided by x1 minus x0. So the value of x will be, first when, which year the interpolation we require. So for getting the value of x, maybe you know the difference is over there. When we will do the question, again we will learn how to calculate the difference is over there. Now come to the how to calculate x value. How we can calculate x value, it's very important. So value of x, that is interpolate year minus first year divided by difference of 2 year of 2 year. If year is given, we can say that interpolation year, suppose interpolate is capital X minus first x0 divided by x1 minus x0. It means the difference of this, that is called the value of x. So we can calculate the value of x. The first, suppose the data is given, that is if our data is given, suppose our data is given for the years. Suppose my data is given 2020, 1951, 1961, 1971, 1981 and 1991 data is given. If they ask calculate for 1965, so the value of x will be 1965 minus first year 1951 divided by the difference of 2 year 1961 minus 1951, or we can write 1971 minus 1961, any. So for firstly, which year we are to having the interpolate. So first we write this minus origin year divided by the difference of 2 year. This value is calculated. This is called x value. So for getting x value, after getting x value, we have, and getting the difference of this, we have to use this formula. Again I am writing, that is yx is equal to y0 plus delta 01 x plus x minus 1 divided by 1 multiply 2 delta 02 plus x value x minus 1 x minus 2 divided by 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 delta 03 plus x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3 upon 1 2 3 4 delta 04 is going on. So this is the method for the this is the formula for Newton advanced difference method you have to use. One more thing which I have to explain, that in Newton method also, the difference of x should be equal. Suppose given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, difference is equal. Okay. Year is given 2000, year is given 1991, 2001, 2011, 2021. This is also okay because the difference is equal. If x value is given like this 2, 4, 6, 8, difference is okay. So this method, in this method, the difference in x should be equal. Otherwise, we cannot use this for this method. Second one, in binomial expansion method, we can having the interpolate for this missing only. But with the help of this method, we can calculate for 25 also. We can calculate for 2006 also. We can calculate for 3 also. So in binomial method, it was not possible. In binomial method, we can having the missing value of only among these years, or among this class interval, or among these numbers. We cannot interpolate for the middle of the year, but with the Newton method we can calculate for the middle of the year is over there. So in case we have given the data like this, 1991, 2001, 2011, 2020, 21, and they asking that interpolate for 2006 with a suitable method, then we have to use this Newton advanced difference method. We cannot use other method in this because we cannot having the method of binomial expansion method we cannot use. We have to use only this method because the difference is equal and we want to interpolate for the between the difference, then we have to use the Newton advanced difference method. So I think with this video you may be learn how to use Newton's advanced difference method. It's very important. For first, this video is very important. After seeing this video, you are able to solve any kind of the problem related to the Newton advanced difference method. I am having one question, so that if you see only this video, then also you may be learn how to use this method. That's why I am starting a question in this video. So the age is given 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Life expectancy is given 15-year life expectancy is 32.2. For 20 years life expectancy is 29.1, and for 25 years that remaining 26.0, and the person who are 30 years now he can alive for 23 years and more, 35 years 20.4. These are the life expectancies over there. So here the data is given, the age is 15 years, 20 years, 25 years, 30 years and 35 years, and the life expectancy is given 32.2 years, 29.1 year, 26.0 year, 23.1 year, 20.4 year. We are to calculate the persons who are 22 years, how much his life expectancy is over there. So the very first, the persons who are now 22 years old, how much his life expectancy is over there. For that first we have to get the Newton difference. So the very first, for 20 years the value of x, that is interpolation year 22 minus first year 15 divided by difference of 2, that is 20 minus 15. Okay. Here we are to calculate for the 22 years. So 22 years minus first year divided by the difference of 2, that is x is equal to 7 divided by 5, that is 1.4. So the value of x is 1.4. If in question they may ask that get the expectancy on 27 years, then 27 minus 15 divided by 20 minus 15. So here in case that is 12 divided by 5, that is 2.4. So it is depend on how much they are asking. If 27 is asking, then we will having 27 minus 15, that divided by 5, that is 2.4 here. So the x value will be difference age they ask. In this question they are asking that get the life expectancy when a persons are 22 years old, how much he may be alive now. So the very first we will get this is 1.4. How to calculate? You know that 22 is asking number, so 22 minus the first year first divided by the difference can be having 20 minus 15, we can having 25 minus 20, we can having 30 minus 25, we can having 35 minus 30, because average the difference is equal in Newton method. This is the difference of 5 years, this is also difference of 5 years, this is also difference of 5 years, or etc. Okay. Now calculate the Newton difference. X is 1.54, we have written here x is 1.4. So Newton difference we are to calculate the difference of Newton. The very first difference, that is second value minus first value. Second difference, that is 26 minus 29.1. Third difference, that is 23 minus 1 minus 26. And fourth difference, 20.4 minus 23.1. These are the difference of Newton. So the very first 29.1 minus 32.2, so minus 3.1, that is called delta 0 1. Second, minus 3.1, that is delta 1 1. Third one is minus 2.9, 23.1 minus 26, that is minus 2.9, delta 2 1. Fourth one is 20.4 minus 23.1, that is minus 2.7. So delta 3 1. This is the first difference. Now second difference is minus 3.1 minus 3.1, that is 0. Minus 2.9 minus 3.1, so that is 0.2. Third one is minus 2.7 minus 2.9, that is 0.2. That is delta 0.2, delta 1.2, delta 2.2. This is second difference. Now third difference is 0.2 minus 0 and 0.2 minus 0.2. That is delta 0.3 and delta 1.3. And fourth difference, third difference, we have to write the value. So that is 0.2 and that is 0, that is 0.3 delta 1.3. And last difference, 0 minus 0.2, that is minus 0.2 delta 0.4. So we have get the differences over there. The very first we should learn how to calculate the differences over there. Firstly, 29.1 minus 32.2, 26.0 minus 29.1, 23.1 minus 26 and 20.4 minus 23.1. So we get the difference. Now 3.1 minus 3.1, that is 0, 2.9 minus 3.1, that is 0.2, 2.7 minus 2.9, that is 0.2. This is second difference. 0.2 minus 0, that is third difference. 2.2 minus 0.2 is 0, and 0 minus 0.2, that is minus 0.2. So this is the Newton differences is over there. So the very first we have to calculate the difference which we have written on the blackboard. Okay, then we will apply the formula for that, and as we know the formula is yx, that is y0 plus delta 0 1 multiplied by x plus x minus 1 divided by 1 2 delta 0 2 plus x minus 1 x minus 2 divided 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 delta 0 3, and last x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3 divided by 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 4 delta 0 4. Value of x is 1.4. So we will write the very first value is y0, that is y0, that is y1, y2, y3 and y4. So y0 is 32.2 plus delta 0 1 and x value is 1.4 and this is minus 3.1, this plus x value is 1.4 and 1.4 minus 1 divided by 1 multiply 2, and delta 0 2 value is 0 plus 1.4 minus 1 1.4 minus 2 upon 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 0.2 plus 1.4 multiply 1 1.4 multiply 2 1.4 multiply minus 3 sorry divided 1 2 3 4 and delta 0 4, that is minus 0.2. So we have put the value, that is y0 is 32.2, then x value is 1.4 and delta 0 1 is minus 3.1, then x value is 1.4 x minus 1, that is 1.4 minus 1 divided 1 2 and this is value 0, then 1.4 1 minus 1 1.4 minus 2 divided 1 multiply 2 multiply 3, that is 0.2, and last one this. So calculating this 32.2 minus. The very first value is 32.2 is plus value. 1.4 multiply 3.1 is minus value, that is minus 4.34, plus 1.4 multiply 0.4 divided 2 multiply 0, so that all will be 0. 1.4 multiply 0.4 multiply 0.6 divided 1 2 3 multiply 0.2, plus 1.4 multiply 0.4 multiply minus 0.6 multiply minus 1.6 divided 24 multiply minus 0.2. So now this is 32.2 minus 4.34. This value becomes to 0. Now 1 minus is over there, so this value will be minus. That is 1.4 multiply 0.4 multiply 0.6 multiply 0.2 divided by 6, and value is minus 0.112, minus 0.0112. Okay, 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus, so the value will be minus. 3 minus is over there, 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus, so value will be minus. That is 1.4 multiply 0.4 multiply 0.6 multiply 1.6 multiply 0.2 divided by 24. The minus value is 0.00448, 0.00448. So solving this, we are getting 27.84. So the answer is 27.84. It means the person who are 22 years old, the life expectancy of this is 27.84. In this manner, we can calculate Newton advanced difference method is over there. It's very easy. Just we have to keep in mind that we have to go step by step. The first we have to get the difference, then we will apply the formula, getting the value of x, putting the value of x. If you go h, I am telling here, certainly you will get clear result is over there, and in your examination the calculator will be allowed, so no problem at all. You can use the calculator and getting the correct result is over there. So I think with the help of this video, you may be able to learn how to use Newton's advanced difference formula is over there. I have discussed one question is over there. In next video we will having pair of two questions to make you perfect in the Newton advanced difference formula is over there. Thank you once again for watching this video. Okay.